Hi Year 5 and welcome to our Monday writing task activity. This is Miss Brewis here and I'll be taking through this lesson. So our focus today, we're looking at shape poems. So you probably have already a bit of an idea of what a shape poem is, but if you don't, I'll be taking you through what is involved in creating a shape poem. So our learning intention is that you are learning about what shape poems are and how to create your own shape poem. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the key elements and features that are needed to create a shape poem, and you will plan, draft, and publish a shape poem. So I'm going to run through the different sort of elements and features that are included in a shape poem. So first of all, the purpose is to describe a particular topic. And a shape poem is written in the same shape as the object being described. So they are sometimes referred to as concrete poems. The structure of the shape poem is that it is written in the same shape that you are actually writing about. When it comes to rhythm, they don't usually have rhythm pattern. And the rhyming pattern, they also don't have a rhyming pattern either necessarily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video which explains more about what a shape poem is. And there are two examples in there which I really would love for you to stop and pause and make sure you have a look to see what those two examples are, just for some inspiration. And also on the next slide, which I'm going to show you, there's an example and it's called The Big Blue Whale. So as you can see, this I haven't created this is from the internet, but somebody has created this and their poem is all about the big blue whale and they've put it in the shape of a whale. So I'll let you read that one, but because you might have to turn your head a little bit. It's a little bit tricky, but it's a great poem, definitely, for some inspiration. All right, so our third step in the required files on OneNote, you're going to read through the PDF called Writing Shape Poems. So I'm going to go to our required files and it says here, second file down, Writing Shape Poems. So I'm going to double click on that and this worksheet will pop up. Okay, you can either print it out or you can work in your writing book from this page. So just make sure you title your page Writing a Shape Poem, and then we're going to go through the steps. So step one, first of all, you're going to choose a topic for your shape poem, and here are some ideas. So there's lightning, apples, rainbows. This is just to get you thinking, but if you have another shape poem idea in mind, maybe you want to write a shape poem about a dog or a cat or spring, and then maybe you would write your shape poem in a flower. It really could be anything. All right. So choose your topic, for your shape poem first. Then in your writing book, you're going to brainstorm as many ideas as possible that relate to your topic. Okay, try to cover as many of the 5 senses as possible. So think about your touch, taste, smell, sight, and your sound or hearing, okay, of your topic. So you might want to definitely in your writing book, because this is like your draft, your plan, shall I say, your plan. For this brainstorm, for your plan, write down your topic in the middle of your page and have like a bit of a brainstorm of all the different things that maybe you could include in your poem and try and include those 5 senses. Then step 3, you're going to write your shape poem. Okay, so you're going to draw the outline of your shape in the box below, then fill in the shape with descriptions of the topic. All right, so that will happen on your in your writing book. So there's 3 steps there. Obviously, choosing your shape poem topic, then brainstorming as many ideas as you can for your topic. Then your 3rd step is actually drafting a poem. So how is your poem going to go? And then you will then draw your poem into the shape of what you are actually describing or talking about in your shape poem. So then make sure once you have created your shape poem that you share this with your teacher on OneNote. We are also going to create a whole class it's like our art gallery, but it's going to be a poetry, shape poem gallery, so that everyone can share all the fantastic shape poems that they've created. And that is our writing lesson for today. If you have any questions, just make sure that you email your teacher and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Enjoy making your shape poem.